Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app in Windows Defender here in your Windows R computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to bring up our browser or any of our favorite browser here in our computer. So in my case, I'll be going to the Google Chrome, okay? So if in case you don't see any of your browser here at the desktop screen, you can simply use the search bar and then search for your browser here. Okay? You just have to wait until you are being redirected to your favorite browser. And here at the Windows search bar, you just have to paste this link. Okay? Don't worry because I'll be including this at the description box below. Just have to copy it and then paste it here at the Windows search bar. Okay? The moment you have pasted it, just have to click on enter to proceed and you would be redirected here. Just have to click on go to site and the moment you've the click on it, you would be redirected to this Microsoft Update Catalog, where here you'd be able to see a table which contains the title and the version of this Windows Security Catalog, okay, or platform. Just have to go with the latest update. I would recommend you to the latest updated application, okay? So why? Because it has this latest features and it's very good since it has this, updated specific settings or features that you could have in your Windows. So go with the first, okay? And here aligning to that, you can see an option where you can download. Just have to click on download and the moment you've the click on it, there you go. You would be redirected here to this small window. Okay. Now here you can see there a very first link. Just have to go with the first, okay? And it will be downloaded here at your computer. Okay, just have to click on it and install. Okay, and once you have installed that, just have to close all of this window. And then you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with settings. Okay, so once the settings is ready for you, you need to directly proceed to the left side of it where you can see privacy and security options. Click on it and at the very first under security tab, you can see there Windows security. Click on it and the moment you've the click on it, you would be redirected here. Now please click this open Windows security and just have to check if you still get an error. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.